Nakahiga ka dyan, it will just make you feel so relaxed, so amazing, so great. And all kinds of suggestions, all kinds of words, all kinds of concepts will just be real to you, honest and real, totally. You accept any kind of ideas, concepts, and everything. And in a moment now, hindi mo maaalala bakit ka nandyan sa sahig. Pag gising mo, pag dinat mo, you'll never know, magtataka ka bakit nandyan ka right now. And hindi mo alam kung paano ka napunta dyan. Ang huli mo lang maalala is nakaupo ka dun sa chair. And that's the last thing that you can remember. And when I snap my finger, as I count from 1 to 5, you'll start to feel good, feel great. And pag dilat mo, when I snap my finger, you'll have total amnesia of what happened and magugulat ka lang bakit ka nandyan. As I count from 1, 2, and 3, open your eyes now. And as I count from 1, 2, and 3, you can now open your eyes. Dok, patensya ka daw.
Morning.
Ano naalala mo, Dok? Natulog, saan? Saan yung huli mo naalala?
Ano?
Ano mo nakita dyan? Anong napanaginipan mo? Tapos? Yun lang, yun ang naalala mo. Nothing else? So, ayan. So, relax ka lang and sleep all the way deeper, more relax. Ayan. Sleep ka lang dito. Sleep all the way deeper, more relax. As I count from 5 to 1, 5. All the way down for 3, 2, and 1. Starting today, I want you to imagine what it feels like. Kukunin ko yung pangalan mo dito sa utak mo. And all your whole name. So you will totally forget your whole name. The more you try to remember your whole name, the more you can't. The more you can't, the more you will try to remember your whole name now. At habang inaalala mo yung pangalan mo, hindi mo siya makikita, hindi mo siya makukuha because you already can't remember your name. As I count from 1, 2, and 3, open your eyes now. So, kaya mo ba spell name mo, Doc? Anong name mo, Doc? I'm Bill pala. What's your name? Anong pangalan mo, Doc? Ano yan? Basahin mo. Nababasa mo. And when I snap my finger, you can actually read it now. What's your name? Oh my God. Ano siya? Habang wala pa sila. Ayan. So that's an example, no? Ayan. Ganun ka-powerful ang words. Okay. So, para siyang nagsha-shuffle, nakikita mo. And when I snap my finger, you'll start to see and you sleep all the way deeper, more relaxed now. So maintain your balance now. So, habang narinig yung boses ko, it will just make you feel good, feel great, feel wonderful. And I want you to focus on my voice. So now, starting today, hahanapin mo si Doc Von, but the more you try to look for Doc Von, hindi mo siya nakikita because he's totally invisible. Makikita mo lang yung cellphone niya nakalutang. And you may actually freak out dun sa cellphone kasi nakikita mo bakit lumulutang yung cellphone. And totally, si Doc Von, even yung clothes niya and yung eyeglass niya and everything about him will totally disappear as I count from 3, 2, and 1. Open your eyes. So, nasaan si Doc Von? Can you look for Doc Von? Anong napansin mo sa mga cellphone?
Phone doon.
Ano yan? Anong nangyari? Lumulutang?
Medyo.
Medyo? Kita mo, aangat yung phone na yan. So tingin mo bakit umaangat yung phone? Magic? Sino nagpapaangat? Si Doc Dewey? Hawak ni Doc Dewey? Ayun yung kamay ni Doc Dewey, oh. Oh, both. Ano yun? Lumulutang? Anong kulay yung makikita mong lumulutang na phone? Blue. And makikita mo lumalapit yan po sa dito yung phone. Anong napapansin mo sa phone? Well, that's visual hallucination. Okay. Na-snap out na siya.
Na-snap out.
And tingin ka dito sa akin and sleep all the way deeper, more relax. As I count from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wala kang maalala. Starting today, wala kang maalala sa lahat ng nangyari. So pag tayo mo dito, you will just go directly doon sa chair. But anytime and every time you hear the word sleep, simula ngayon hanggang mamaya, you'll just go deep into this relaxing state at mas faster pa. And wala kang ibang words na alam. Starting today, kapag kinausap ka nila, maintindihan mo yung mga words na sinasabi nila. Pero the moment na magsasalita ka, isa ka ng pusa. So meow ka lang ng meow. Once na you sit to that chair. As I count from 3, 2, and 1, open your eyes, then go back to that chair na. Punta ka na dun sa chair na. So, kamusta pakiramdam, Doc? Kamusta pakiramdam mo?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Stop na.
Okay, so...
Akala ko sabihin mo, Dok, meow.
Meow.
Okay ka na?
Ano pakiramdam, Doc?
Relax.
Eto, tingin ka lang dito and sleep all the way deeper, deeper, more relax. As I count from 5 to 1. Go even more deeper now. Ano pa ka na, mabigat siya na. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In a moment, not yet but in a little while, so you will still not remember your name, hindi mo maalala pangalan mo unless I said so. Pero, you will be focused, so focused dito sa lahat ng sasabihin namin. You will be so focused and everything will matter to you. And you will start to realize, you'll start to feel very good, very alert, very awake. As I count from 1 to 5, slowly, feel good, feel great, feel wonderful. 2, feeling the energy up. 3, feeling so amazing, feeling so wonderful, and this is the best experience that you've ever had. 4 and 5, open your eyes now. How good do you feel?
Tissue ba? May tira po.
Wait, pero...
Stitch ulit.
Sleeper talaga siya.
Sarap pakiramdam. Para anong feeling mo? Ilang hours ka natulog?
11.
11 hours.
Wala pa, sleep pa daw.
What's your name again?
Wala hour pa.
What's your name? First name? Tingin ka ulit sa akin dito, Doc. So, and sleep all the way deeply, deeply, relax now. So, as I count from 5 to 1. So, ang pangalan mo na ngayon ay...
Nuri.
Ibang name.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. So, starting today, your name is Jasmine. Okay? So, every time na babanggitin nila yung name mo na Nuri Lee, magagalit ka sa kanila dahil ang name mo ay Jasmine. So, ipaglalaban mo yung name mo ay Jasmine. And the more they call you sa name na Nuri Lee, maiinis ka sa kanila kasi ipaglalaban mo totally, completely that your name is Jasmine. As I count from 1, 2, and 3 now, your name is Jasmine. Open your eyes now. Yan. How are you, Jasmine? Okay na. Okay.
Nuri,
So,
ano
okay.
yung book mo?
Anong full name mo?
Nuri.
Jasmine. So, sabi nila si Nuri ka daw.
Jasmine. Mukha ko Jasmine.
Sabi nila si Nuri. Sabi nila ikaw na si Nuri.
Nuri.
Hey, Nuri.
Jasmine.
Si Doc Jasmine.
Dok.
Ano yung nakalagay sa ID mo? You have your ID?
Wala man. Wala man na hindi.
Wala. So, ba't ayan nakalagay sa... Ano mo? Ano mo? Mali?
Hindi ata ako.
Hindi na naman lang. Okay, so si Doc Jasmine. O, palakpan natin si Doc Jasmine.
Nuri.
Jasmine.
Ha?
Nuri. Dok, Nuri po.
Sino si Jasmine?
Ikaw.
Oh.
Ano? Jasmine Nuri. Second name.
And look at me and sleep all the way deeper, deeper. More relax. That's right, all the way down. So starting today, as I come from 1 to 5, so babalik na sa normal yung name mo. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling wonderful as I come from 1. Slowly get out of runs, feeling good, feeling great, feeling wonderful. 2. Lahat ng suggestions mawawala. 3, makakalimutan mo lahat nangyari. You don't know what happened to you earlier. So, ang huli mo ng memory nung tumayo ka dyan. 4, feeling excited, motivated, and 5, by the way, how do you feel? Good morning! Good morning!
Morning.
Morning, Doc.
Anong naalala mo to?
Word of God.
Power of words.
Reference.
Doc
Okay.
Yasmin.
Naalala mo si Jasmine?
Jasmine P.
Hindi. Okay, sige. Later on, papakita na lang nila sa'yo.
Mamaya na lang, B.
Sabi mo sa amin yung to ka.
Sige.
Wait